Kisses of the sun were sweet.
Yeah.
Blink, I let it in my eyes.
It's another one of them smoking songs, you know what I'm saying? Yes. Where my pothead's at? Right here.
That I have never heard, I don't know what to
Yeah,
say.
CT, check it. We rolling trees and smoking. La 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 la. Another weed song from me. Burning more trees than Cheech, strong red and meth all rolled together in the same L. We smoke blunts all day, you can't tell. Hell, I'm stomping in with my boots on, rolling to the diner with my half-off coupon. Fuck. I've been burning since I was newborn, so high flying through space with Jimmy Neutron. That's how I do, man, rock the rhythm. You would think I had a motherfucking pot prescription, like the doctor's flipping. My grass stay fresh cut, sticky icky wet stuff, put it in the next dust. But last time I had a checkup, the doc said my brain was not fully developed. Fuck, but it just don't matter, I'ma have to roll the next blunt fatter. Ha. Just break it up and smoke that. Now twist it up and smoke that. Now light it up and smoke that. And now we'll keep on burning. The way this weed hit your chest should invest in Kevlar. Chillin' on Saturn, cruising in the XR. Every day I got the best bars and the best weed, same color as Reptar. Yes, we stay lighting up the purple in my own entourage, smoking like turtle. Fuck all the commercials, they all straight lies, acting like I'm gon' kill a motherfucker cause I'm high. The most I'm likely to do is open a fridge, chill on the couch and never end up leaving my crib. Shit, but that's just how I do. Stay high, seeing from a bird's eye view. I walk into a room and everybody starts sniffing, like, oh my god, I can guarantee that's Christian. It's 9 in the morning, yo, what the fuck's with him? And I'm like, chill, I got a weed addiction, like just break it up and smoke that. Now twist it up and smoke that. Now light it up and smoke that. And now we layin' ganja, every day we burn Dutchies and always stay around more trees than Fern Gully. I earn money, spend on weed and burn money. Got that dice in my hand, can't take my turn from me. I rip like a beast when I hit the beats, but it's just weed when they say I'm equipped with heat. Please, shit's leaving you in disbelief. I'm that monster at your door, bitch, trick or treat. The way I freestyle shit, that really baffles me, cause I'm a pothead, call me Johnny Appleseed. I got a dub and a Dutch, let's roll and spark till we start to see shit like Joan of Arc. I know I'm smart, I know I'm nice, that's why y'all can't see me like a poltergeist. Smoking la la la, give that bowl of light, grab the bong even tighter than I hold the mic, like just break it up and smoke that. Now twist it up and smoke that. Now light it up and smoke that. And now we'll keep on burning. Stay burning. Yeah, that's what it is, baby. Holla.